If you're experiencing audio desync issues on your Steam Deck, follow these simple steps to help resolve the problem. This guide will walk you through the process to improve your audio experience. Step 1. Check audio settings. Navigate to the audio settings on your Steam Deck. Ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected and that the volume levels are appropriately set. Step 2. Update Steam OS. Make sure your Steam Deck is running the latest version of Steam OS. Go to the Settings menu, select System, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest updates can often resolve audio issues. Step 3. Adjust game audio settings. Open the game you're experiencing issues with and check its audio settings. Look for options related to audio latency or sync and adjust them to see if it improves the situation. Step 4. Use wired headphones. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, try switching to wired headphones. Bluetooth can sometimes introduce latency, leading to audio desync. Wired connections often provide a more stable audio experience. Step 5. Restart the Steam Deck. If the problem persists, restart your Steam Deck. A simple reboot can clear temporary glitches and refresh the system, potentially resolving the audio desync. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate audio desync issues on your Steam Deck. If problems continue, consider reaching out to support for further assistance.